Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. This time I'm making another presentation video for my English class. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Let me introduce myself. First, my name is David Suraputra from class 19.2A Form 38 Information System Major at Universitas Bina Sarana Informatika Cibitung. So, in this presentation, I will talk about the topic getting to know more about computer software and operating system as well as computer hardware. Just for your information, this video is made for my Project 1 English assignment with the lecture Miss Sufi Alawiyah Eskom MPD. Alright, without wasting too much time, let's get straight into discussion. First of all, I want to explain what topics we are going to discuss in this presentation. The first one is an explanation about computer software. The second is the function and people of software. The third is an explanation about computer hardware. And the last one is about what kinds of computer hardware actually exist. Well, talk about all of them more deeply in this video. Okay, so first, let's talk about computer software. Basically, computer software means a collection of instruction or programs used to operate a computer and perform specific tasks. So, what's the main point? The point is software is kind like the inside person of the computer, if that makes sense. So basically, software is the element inside the computer that give command to the system. For example, when someone wants to update data or do other activity, the software is the thing working behind the scene. So, what's the function of software? Like I mentioned before, the function of software is to operate the computer itself. It controls the computer activity from the inside. Then, what are the type of software? There are two main type of software, and one system software and two application software. So, what do they mean? System software is software that supports the basic operation of a computer and work as a bridge between hardware and application. We can see example of this in our daily life, such as operating system like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So, what's the difference between system software and application software? If system software supports the overall basic operation of the computer, application software is only used for specific tasks. Application software is software designed to help users perform tasks directly, such as creating documents, editing image, or manage data. Examples include Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Adobe Photoshop, and many more. Now, these are the operation system that I mentioned earlier. Here, I brought example of Windows and Linux. Microsoft Windows, are usually just called Windows, is an operation system developed by Microsoft, where Microsoft itself was founded by Bill Gates and Paul Allen. This operation system was built using a graphical user interface or GUI to make commands easier and more user-friendly. Microsoft first introduced Windows on 20 November 1985 as a graphical operation system shell for MS-DOS. MS-DOS itself was a stack-based and command line operation system. And not only that, Microsoft Windows has also dominated the personal computer market with more than 90% market share. Now let's talk about Linux. Linux is an open source Unix-based operation system. Linux can run on computer, server, mobile device, and many other devices as well. since it was first introduced in 1991. Linux has become one of the most widely used operating systems in the world, providing as a free alternative to exclusive operation systems such as Microsoft Windows and Mac OS. So, what's the difference between Linux and Windows? Well, Linux is open source, which means we can freely modify and customize the system however we want. And hey, don't get it wrong, Linux is also free, unlike Windows which is paid. Alright, now let's move onto hardware. Hardware is the physical device that acts as the executor of various process control-based software. Hardware includes many components, starting from input device like keyboard and mic, output device like monitor and printer, and also storage devices, hard drive and SSD. Unlike software, hardware is basically the physical body of your computer, while software is like the soul and brain of the computer itself. So what's the function of hardware? Hardware acts as the place where software performs its activity, such as data processing and data storage. Some examples of hardware are CPU, RAM, and hard drive. Like I mentioned before, the CPU functions as the processor of computer data and help run the data and process, and then the hard drive stores the data inside the computer. For other devices like keyboard, mic, and buttons, these devices are support tools that help make user activity easier. Keyboard and mouse are used to input data, while the printer is used to print document or data. Okay, I think that's all for my presentation today. Thank you so much for watching, especially to Miss Sufi Alawiyah. See you again in the next opportunity. Bye bye everyone.